You don't usually think of the Skoda Superb as an exciting car. But when you drop a V6 engine into it, things change a bit. Just ask Rohan Joshi, who's been off driving one in Prague.
Prague. Now capital of the Czech Republic, it was once the center of a state called Bohemia. As in Bohemian, as in a little bit nuts and a lot of fun. Perfect place, really, to meet a car that's a little bit nuts and a lot of fun. Okay, not that much fun. The Skoda Superb. Yep, you heard me. The Skoda Superb.
Now, if you're the sort of person that buys a Skoda Superb, there's obviously some things you're looking for in a car. I mean, you obviously want it to be as luxurious as Roman Abramovich's yacht, and you probably want to seat as many people as Vijay Mallya's yacht. But what if you wanted a car that was part yacht, part powerboat? In that case, forget the normal Superb. Go with this, the V6.
Now, an ordinary petrol Superb in India comes with a 1.8-litre engine that does about 160 horsepower, but who needs that when the V6 offers so much more?
This car is powered by a 3.6-litre V6 that does about 260 horsepower and 350 Newton meters of torque. Now that's some serious shove this car has. I mean, the Superb, they should just call it the souped up. Yeah, this is why they don't let me name cars.
But with that sort of power on a car that usually feels a bit like a boat, you're going to need some serious grip. And luckily, in this car, you get some.
All that power don't mean a thing if it ain't got swing. Helping the V6 put all this power down is a four-wheel drive system. For the most part, 90% of the power goes to the front wheels. But if it senses the traction's being lost, it throws power back to the rear wheels.
And then there's those 0 to 100 figures.
I've been throwing this car around corners and I've got to say, it's got some serious grip. I mean, 0 to 100 comes down in just 6.5 seconds. That's impressive.
And then there's Skoda's automatic 6-speed twin-clutch DSG gearbox. And even with all that power and that sporty grip, it's still a Superb. So the ride's still as comfortable as Jenson Button's championship prospects this year.
Now at over 25 lakhs a pop, is the V6 a sensible, practical decision? To be honest, no it's not. But if you're deciding with your head, fine, go for a normal Superb. If you're deciding with your heart though, go for this one, because, and I never thought I'd say this about a Skoda, this car is pure heart.
Coming up after the break, from GTA to Gran Turismo, we pick up the 5 coolest car games of all time.
This show brought to you by Xylo, time of your life.
चिराग हूँ जलने को बेताब हूँ नूर से भर खड़ा हूँ मैं उठाए ऊंचा सर खड़ा हूँ मैं वो रोशन करने हर घर हाँ खड़ा
हर चिराग रोशन करे अदानी पावर. What are you carrying today?
Success.
Nothing.
A broken heart.
Now carry something you never carried before. Speed. Tata Photon Plus. India's fastest mobile broadband service. Speed.